This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Here's a good trick my customer Mike taught me that you can use on your Miele dishwasher to save money, and that's just to cut the soap tablet in half. And just be careful as you do this, but the way Mike does it is he puts the knife on, pushes down with his palm, kind of rocks the knife back and forth. It cuts into two pieces, and he saves one, and he takes the other one, puts it in the dishwasher. This also creates less bubbles and less likely to get an intake drain error. So it's a really good trick, saves money, and Miele says that the dishwasher does really well with just half.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.